Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I'm so glad that you're back today to see me finish up my Harry Potter inspired Traveler's Notebook / altered book. I have been sharing this project this week in honor of National Storytelling Week, which is a British event. Julia McNeil Crafts put out a call on Instagram if anybody was interested in participating in a collaboration. I messaged her about it and she said it was about storytelling, and because I love reading, I work in an elementary school library, and one of my favorite things at my job is getting to read to the children, I thought I'm gonna go for this. So to find out more about that, make sure you watch my first video in this series. I will have that linked below, as well as all of the other channels that are participating this week with videos. Julia will be at the top of the list, marked as hostess, so she might be telling you more about this collaboration. In parts 1 and 2 of the process video, I tore apart our Harry Potter paperback book. I got the laminated cover ready, and we made our signature books and stitched the elastic bands to hold those in place. Today we're going to use some 3x4 cards and cut aparts from the Project Mouse Wizarding Digital Scrapbook Kit to complete the album. I will link this kit in the description box below. What I want to do first is get my cards and my embellishments kind of separated by theme. Inside of the signatures, I have interspersed the chapter headers from some of the chapters. So I thought what I would try to do is separate them into the same thing, like cards about Harry Potter near this one, and then cards about the train and platform 9 3/4 with chapter 6. Then I will have a section with the different houses in Hogwarts, and then some that have to do with magic and wands. So I will do that here quickly, and then we can start getting stuff put in our book. So here is a look at some of the embellishments from the kit. This is not nearly all of them. I did just print out what I thought would work well for my project. Some of these I will make into stickers, and others I will be adhering into the signature books or using as tuck spots. I will be using this wax seal along with this silver foil lined envelope to put in the back of the Traveler's Notebook or the altered book, so my daughter can keep some of her embellishments and cut apart cards in here. And I thought that this went well since it's kind of like the letter from Hogwarts, so I'm going to set that to the side for now. These banners I'm going to keep to the side. My plan is to put these on some paper clips so she can have some spots to mark pages. Now as I go through the cards, any that I think she might want to put in later as like notes for the day or journaling for the day, those will stay separate, like this, if she has a really good day and she wants to write about it. Now I have everything sorted, and it turned out just perfectly. I have, I think, 6 chapter headers in that Traveler's Notebook, and I ended up with 6 different themed sets. I have the train station, I have Hogwarts, I have kind of like the letter and the owls, Harry Potter and the wizard, Quidditch, and then kind of magic and wands. So what I'm going to do now is make stickers out of these little words and some of the embellishments. These are the ones that I'll be giving to my daughter to add as she pleases, so I'm just going to set these to the side, and later I'll cut them apart into smaller sections to fit in that envelope in the back. My next step is to start decorating the signature books. So I'm going to pull the two out of there that I will be adding the stickers and cards to. Alright, in this first one, my first theme is just going to be about Harry Potter himself, because that first chapter header I have in here is Chapter 1, The Boy Who Lived. The other chapters I have in here are the Letters from No One, so I will be using the owl post stuff around there. And I think I have one more. The Journey from Platform 9 3/4, so then I'll be using some of the items about the train station. For the rest of this tutorial, I am just going to turn on music and speed it up. It was getting a little long with all the chatting I was doing, so if you end up with any questions, please feel free to leave those below. Enjoy! And my Harry Potter inspired Traveler's Notebook / altered book is completely finished. If you have any questions about what I showed during the video and I didn't answer it, please feel free to leave those below and I'll answer those as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. Until my next video, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye bye.